Here's number one of the 10 quick steps to increase your PC performance or your laptop. And this is the HP Pavilion gaming laptop 15 as the AMD Ryzen 5 processor. And it's been really booting up slow and like takes like minutes, like more than 2 minutes. So one of the first step is to adjust your restart settings. So in order to do that, you will go to your settings. Then so you're gonna go click start, go to settings, and then in the lower left of the start menu, that's where it is. And then in the settings app, you have to select accounts and then sign in options. So right now it's slow, so I'm trying to get rid of this startups. If you see, there's a lot of programs popping up right now. So we're gonna get rid of that one. And then after that, you go to the privacy and turn off that one on the bottom that says use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device. So turn that off, because that's what's causing all those background apps and apps that you no longer use right away. You might have used it once or twice, and you've installed it, and then now it keeps popping up every time you turn on your PC or laptop. So turn that off. And after that, you go and restart. But again, you click the start, you go to the settings app, and then you select the account and the sign in options, and then you uncheck or slide, you turn off the use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device, and reopen my app after an update or restart. So right now I'm gonna turn it off so it takes in the changes that I've just made. And we'll see what happens. So here's what happened after that change I just made. So I'm restarting. So if you see, like you can see the difference right away, because on the very beginning of this video, you can see the pop-up on the background. You see, as I restarted, you see it just comes up right away, and there's no more apps that is popping up on the background as it goes. The welcome part is still a little bit long because I haven't fixed that yet. This is just the first step. So basically that actually worked. That saves us time, save you time. When you restart your PC or laptop, or a software update,